Hi, I'm Laura and welcome to this How to Crochet series by Annie's. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to work into the turning chain. Knowing where you should insert your hook in the turning chain when starting a new row or round can be a little tricky. It's important to understand which chain you put your hook into so you don't end up with too many or too few stitches at the end of your row. So let's get started.
In crochet, you need to work turning chains to build up your rows so that your stitches can be worked evenly across and the edges don't look cinched up. To do that, you're going to turn your work, and you always want to turn your work so that your yarn is in the back and it doesn't cross over the front of your stitching. Each stitch has its own usual starting chain. For a slip stitch, you're going to chain one and then you'll slip stitch into your stitches. That chain one raises it just enough to work slip stitches. For single crochet, you will also chain one and then you're going to work your single crochet just as directed. And the chain one again has built up the row enough that things are not cinching up. To work half double crochet, you will chain two. Then your directions will tell you if these chain two count as a stitch or if they do not. If they count as a stitch, you will skip this first stitch and work your half double crochet in the next stitch. If it doesn't, then you will work a half double crochet in this first stitch as well. For double crochet, we just keep increasing the number of chains at the start. So for half double crochet it was 2, now for double it's going to be 3. There's 1, 2, 3. Your directions again will tell you if this counts as a stitch, then that means you'll skip this first stitch and work your double crochet in the next stitch. And those chain 3 have given you plenty of space to work your double crochet across. For a treble crochet, you're going to chain 4. So as your stitches get taller, you add more chains. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then your directions will tell you if you skip this first stitch or you work into it. For a treble, you're going to yarn over twice, work your treble crochet, and you can see how your turning chains help to build up the height of your row.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new crochet videos coming up. And tell us in the comments what made you want to learn how to crochet. Thanks for watching. See you next time.